For certain Ceros experiences, you may want to use a gate in the content to help capture new leads. This can be done in a few different ways depending on the marketing automation system you have set up. In this lesson, we're going to focus on using our HubSpot and Marketo integration, but be sure to reach out to your account manager to discuss other options available. To follow along with this lesson, be sure to upload the Build Along experience to your account. The first gate we are going to create is one that shows up after a user views a certain amount of pages. Start by adding a new page somewhere in the ebook which will contain your form. We added one on page 6 in this example. Next, we are going to want to disable a few pages by default. In this case, all of the pages that exist after the form. You can accomplish this by selecting the 3 dots next to the page title, then selecting Disable Page. Now we're ready to add our form. In this case, we're not going to focus on changing the design of it, but rather how the interaction is set up. Remember, these forms are being generated from your own integration, so they may look a bit different than ours. With your form still selected, let's navigate to the Interact tab and click on the action for when the form is submitted. As you can see, there are many options here. However, the main one we want to focus on is the Enable Disable Pages action. We are going to enable all of the pages after the form when a user submits. But in addition to that, we're also going to disable the form page so that the user doesn't have to fill it out again. And that's it. All of the data will flow to your marketing system as expected, and you've created a great way to get people into your content with less hassle, without losing the ability to capture their information thereafter. In the next lesson, we'll take a look at how you can create a timed gate on a long scrolling page.